Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, the two names that just do not seem to be leaving the media anytime soon. As time continues, the case between the two is one that clearly presents itself to be anything but boring. Amber Heard has been accused of spreading lies about her ex Johnny Depp, but how far is she going to take these lies? While many are saying that she may have gone forward and bribed her sister to go ahead and cover for her on the stand because at this time, she kind of appears to be out of options when it comes to finding witnesses to back up her side. Allow us to provide you with the details about it all. But first, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel below.
Do you want to win a brand new iPhone or a brand new MacBook Pro? Maybe you'd prefer a $500 Amazon gift card. Well, comment the hidden message in this video for a chance to enter to win.
The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case drama has made many major plot twists over time, and as more and more details get revealed about what really happened between the two, a lot of people seem to change their minds about who it is in the issue that they truly believe. Johnny Depp's defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife Amber Heard can be hard to keep up with as there is new information that is being presented very often. But the main reason we are here today is really to talk about the reason why Amber Heard is apparently subjected to face several years of jail time. When you sit and think about all the reasons why Amber Heard might be going to jail, the list could get pretty long, and many different reasons could come across people's minds, as there may be just more than one reason that she deserves to face jail time. But one of the most obvious reasons is Amber Heard has pretty much lied throughout the majority of this case. But the most important person to speak on this issue, in fact, is Johnny Depp himself. He is claiming that she not only lied in court, but that Amber Heard is also guilty of being one who was the aggressor in the relationship all this time, throughout their whole marriage really. If the court does end up deciding that these claims are true, then it is possible that Amber Heard will for sure be facing charges, and some even leading her to face quite a bit of jail time. But the other reason that it has been stated that Amber Heard will be facing jail time is due to the fact that she has gone to some pretty great lengths in order to clear her name. And what I mean by this is she may have potentially had her sister to speak on her side in order to lie on her behalf to make sure that she does not face serious consequences. And the worst part is that Amber is being rumored that she did indeed pay her sister to do so. And I know what you may be thinking. People making the accusation that Amber Heard went ahead and paid off her sister is not something that is just casually spoken about, especially when it comes to a situation that is very serious, such as this one that is taking place between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. And as a matter of fact, Depp's team has seen some documents that may just have proved that Amber Heard did pay her sister off in amounts of $10,000 or even maybe more in a couple of gifts. Yeah, that's exactly what it sounds like. Johnny Depp's team truly believes that Heard paid off her own sister to lie in court about what happened to Amber. But let's break down what exactly is taking place. Apparently, Johnny Depp and his legal team have set up a pretty intense game plan, and that is that they plan to work to gather all information and any evidence that they could to help them build a stronger case. Not only are they working to get evidence, but they are also working to make sure that they find individuals who are able to act as witnesses. Witnesses that will bring situations to light that will in fact help Johnny Depp in this whole case. And as many of you may already know, Johnny Depp has had several individuals brought forth in this case, one being the well-known billionaire Elon Musk. But it has been stated that he may have gone ahead and called someone else forward, an individual who could really make or break the case, and that is in fact Amber Heard's sister. Amber Heard's sister is another individual who has been officially subpoenaed by Johnny Depp's legal team. Now this is something that could probably be very weird, but if you sit and think about it, some are wondering just how it's all going to work since she is Amber's sister, and you would think that she would do all that she can in order to keep her sister out of trouble. She is a family member who does have the ability to determine whether or not her sister is telling the truth about all that has come forward, or to come forward, and share that she was making it all up, or if she was telling the truth. Her sister can tell if Amber had ever said anything about Johnny's potential harming or whether she personally saw any markings on Amber Heard at one point or another within their marriage. However, a lot of these subpoenas are asking for a lot of different things. When you look very closely, you can see that it's quite a bit of information. First and foremost, you can see that they have not only asked for statements, but throughout the course of time, you can see that the individuals and the companies that have been brought forward, or whoever it may be, have been asked to bring forward specific documents such as text messages, emails, and many more from different times, and very specific times at that. They're being asked to bring these documents from the time that Amber Heard and Johnny Depp were together, all the way until the time that they got a divorce, and whatever else happened after that. And yes, of course, you could look at Johnny Depp's call from Amber Heard's sister to come forward as kind of a bad idea, or maybe he's just hoping for some information to be revealed. But others are really seeing it all as Johnny Depp just trying to fish for information wherever he can. However, if you are one who looked closely on the subpoena, you would be one who realized that Amber Heard's sister speaking up and bringing these documents forward could actually be one of the most important to the case. I mean, it is her sister after all, and sisters or family members in general tend to confide in one another. All these documents could be the key element because they are asking for any documents that contain proof of things like threats from Johnny or even from Amber, and whether Amber ever admitted to anything about what was going on with Johnny. And then in the final message in the subpoena, Johnny Depp's team asked for proof of monetary payments, gifts, or even transfers that was made to the sister or to those close to her in amounts of $10,000 or more. A coincidence? Well, we do not think so. But the possibility of Amber Heard going to jail is one that has people wondering if this is all for hype or just in order to draw more attention to the case. And it can appear to be a very kind of unusual that the subpoena is going in the direction that it is. Mostly because it's very surprising that a person such as Amber Heard has not been caught already for performing several legal actions. However, Depp and his team are doing all that they can in order to put her to a stop. At this point in time, some are thinking that the tactic that is being displayed here is that Depp may just be trying to get Heard up on her toes, especially considering the fact that they are rumoring that she is bribing her own sister. But this has been a case that has been one that continues to prove who sticks to the truth and who doesn't, as it was expressed and proven in the audio messages. Specifically in the audio where Depp states that she hit him, when she said it was the other way around. It is not an exaggeration when it is stated that Amber Heard is doing all that she can in order to destroy Johnny Depp's career and come out on top. So if Depp and his legal team believe that Heard bribed her sister, they probably have a pretty good reason for it. But the big thing that is being brought to many people's attention is that there are fans who are asking who is going to replace Amber in her movie roles such as Aquaman 2. And even if she doesn't get sentenced to jail time, which doesn't seem like this will be the case at this point, based on the information that Johnny Depp has already released to the public, many have signed the petition for Amber Heard to be replaced in Aquaman 2. And as mentioned before and rumored all over the internet, it is stated that Emilia Clarke is probably going to be the one that is going to fulfill this role. As you all know, basically Amber Heard claimed that Johnny Depp had harmed her in many ways while they were married. Their original court date in 2015 resulted in a restraining order against Johnny Depp, which was granted. But that's also where the blurry lines began. Johnny claims that Amber had faked her black eye seen at court, and Amber Heard's stylist corroborated this. She stated, "Throughout the day of December 16, 2015, I could clearly see that Amber Heard did not have any visible marks, bruises, cuts, or injuries to her face or any other part of her body." Since then, Johnny Depp has fought back against every bad word against him with libel case and his defamation lawsuit, so far against The Sun and Amber Heard, which has not yet been seen in court. According to Deadline, the latest update is that their court date is once again being pushed back, and being pushed back all the way to 2022, in April, in fact. If Amber Heard loses, she could face jail time for tampering with evidence, so it is clear that this is something that is not going to be ending anytime soon.